Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're a subscriber by now. If you're not, please hit the bell icon. How is ophthalmology as a branch? Of course, being an ophthalmologist, I will be a little biased towards the positive aspects of the branch. But I will also be highlighting some key points which are to be considered before you take up ophthalmology. Jumping on to the positive things, why I chose ophthalmology. So I've noted down a few points and I would like to highlight all of them. First is it's a combination of medicine and surgery. It offers a unique blend of medical management as well as surgical intervention. You get to treat patients with medications but also perform delicate and precise surgeries like cataract, LASIK, retinal detachment, to name a few. It is a highly technologically driven branch. Constant advancements in diagnostic, in surgical techniques, lasers, minimally invasive surgeries, artificial intelligence, all are pretty much very relevant in this branch. This branch also offers you a lot of specializations. Like all of you consider it to be an end branch, it is definitely not an end branch when you step into it. A lot of things are there. A lot of advancements are there. There are fellowship opportunities in retina, in cornea, in glaucoma, in pediatric ophthalmology, in neuro-ophthal. These are just to name a few. We have already, like PGI Chandigarh has already started with retina ka VR surgery ka MCH. So there will be more MCH courses coming soon. But to practice in a tier 1 city, I will not say it's a must, but it will become part of the trade in the next coming years to have a fellowship. Okay? Next is the lifestyle it offers. It is generally considered to have a good work-life balance. Why I say so? Because most surgeries are scheduled. Not many conditions are emergency based, leading to very few on-call emergencies. You get to face a variety of challenging and diverse cases, from common issues like refractive errors to intellectually stimulating issues of the retina, rare and complex cases like ocular tumors and congenital anomalies. You get to have all of it. Okay? Next is the demand. The age of life is increasing. The life expectancy per se is increasing a lot. Everybody is going to get a cataract. Cataract is the bread and butter of ophthalmology. If you don't consider it like that, you will get to know about it and solidify on this fact that cataract is going to be your bread and butter. Okay? So cataract is increasing, diabetes is increasing, retinal disorders will automatically increase. Okay? What to consider? These were all the positive points I had mentioned. What to consider? See, precision is key. It's a microsurgical branch. It requires a steady hand and eye for detail, particularly when it comes to surgery. Very small errors can have a significant consequence. The training period of becoming an ophthalmologist involves years of specialized training, including the residency program and possibly a fellowship to offer subspecialty training. Since it's a very technologically driven branch and the treatments are rapidly evolving, continuous medical education is key, but uske alawa bhi you have to be well equipped. Patient will look for technologically advanced doctors. Patient will look for the doctors who have the latest machines. Like the LASIK is gone by now, we are doing Contura, we are doing Silk. So the patient who wants to pay wants to get the best of what is there to offer. But a positive point I would say, since the cataract is the bread and butter, if you do the basics right, the satisfaction is amazing and it's just off the table. When you operate, within 10 minutes the patient from PLPR vision, perception of light and rays, only he can perceive light, he can get to 6/6 vision, and good surgeons give 6/6 vision off the table. So this is like amazing satisfaction for the patients. These are the few points you should consider before taking up this particular branch. If you have any more questions, the comment section is open. I will be answering all of your comments. Please mention in the drop down list in the comment section and share the video as much as possible to reach to as many people as possible. All the very best, guys. I hope you get your dream branch.